In the last video, we fixed one big problem. We stopped hard coding data and we started reading it from the database. But there is still something missing. If data is not hard coded, how does data actually get added? Let me show you first, then we will understand it slowly. I just want a simple way to trigger data creation. We are adding a simple route to trigger the data creations. This route is temporary. We won't keep it. This routes point to a controller. Controllers are where we tell Laravel to actually do some work. Here we are telling it to add some data to database. Don't worry if this fails fast. We will go through it step by step. That one line is what adds data to the database. The controller starts the process. The model handles the database part. Laravel writes the SQL for us. Think about what we are asking Laravel to do. We are not just showing a page. We are asking it to create something new and store it permanently. That kind of work belongs in a controller. Let's try this in a browser. We get an error and this is actually good. Laravel is very careful with your database. It doesn't allow data to be saved unless we clearly say which fields are allowed. This protects us from mistakes. The model represents a table, so this is where we tell Laravel what it's allowed to save. Now Laravel trusts this data. Let's refresh again. This time it works. Now let's go back to about page and refresh it. And there it is. That new item came from database, but it's now showing up on the page. That's the full loop. In the last video, we focused on reading data. In this video, we created data. Both use the same model. So whenever you are unsure where something belongs, remember this. The controller decides what to do and model talks to the database. You will notice we didn't use forms yet. We didn't validate anything. We didn't talk about users. That's intentional. Right now the data is still hard coded inside the controller. That's not ideal. In the next video, we will see how Laravel receives input from the user and passes it to controller. After that, we will look at reading and updating existing data. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.